Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically blend into videos on CapCut PC together using the mask feature. Have this two videos of like the city. So for instance, I want half of it to be this one and half of it to be the other one. I'm just going to select mask and I'm just going to select the horizontal one and I'm just going to bring it like that. Then I'm just going to simply select the feather button. So as you can see now, it's kind of blended in together. Maybe it's a little bit better if I use this one actually. I don't know. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can blend two videos together like so. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!